Hey guys, Nick, First Class Home Inspections. We're doing a new construction inspection, so the house isn't ready for moving yet, but it's getting close. So we're checking some things in the attic, and I found something I want to show you. So in this case, you can see the insulation kind of wedged in between this truss member, and it's actually split all the way down, so down here it's to the center. So that's a weakness. So structural engineer needs to come, they need to make a repair for this truss because that's not as designed and it needs to be repaired. So this is a structural issue. It might not be an issue right now, but it can be in the future, and it needs to be repaired. So don't skip your home inspection for even new construction because it's very important. Sometimes this stuff settles in and gets missed, so we want to make sure we catch it before it's an issue. First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707.